This is the space that we are going to decorate. This is where we'll be having our book tasting event. So this is what it looks like before Miss Lay and her little team got it together. Meet our media specialist. She had her husband make 2 of these signs and she had them outside so the kids can be directed to the book tasting. Now, a book tasting is simply an event where you invite your children to sample different genres of books. Kids hate to read, and so this is a great way to get them hyped to read something else besides what they like to read, or what they think they like to read just because they've not been exposed to many genres as yet. The bow maker, y'all. Miss Lay makes a killer bow. And there's our reading coach. That's Love, and she knows she's on camera. Look. Forgive me, I got distracted and I did not get a close-up of the bow, but we'll get another one at some point. All right, so if you are wanting to host a book tasting, the front loading is a lot. The organization is a lot. It takes a lot, but the reward will be great. Or the pamphlet that the kids would be using. There are sentence stems on their little placemats, and the little purple reflection piece, we did that towards the end. So this is what they'll be responding to when they sit at the table. So each table has a different genre of book. This one is realistic fiction. There are plenty more on the other tables. These lights were from Amazon. Lay bought these from Amazon. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. So we did set it up like a formal, very formal setting. And so the kids were invited to dress up. So we did go all out to make this happen. A very fun event. And they had fun doing the rotations. All right, there is the bow. All right, let me go and try and make a bow here. Make myself useful, and I'm gonna make a bow and show it to you guys. Ooh, come this way. Give it a grade. You gotta give it a grade.
Wow, that's adorable. 5 stars.
Sprinkles. Ooh. She ate.
No. Now go check the Vicianos.
Where'd you tie? Here's Viciano. See, hers is upset. Now this bow is upset. She's drooping.
Oh my goodness.
She's mad. It's a bow, regardless.
No, you're going to be getting a dress up in, and they go, dress up?
Dress up, not dress down.
Yeah, dress down.
No.
No. It's dress down because you don't have to buy it, but it's a dress up because you don't have to use, but you got to dress
And it's
nice.
not Crocs. Do not come here in
said you
plastic
get to
shoes.
wear your little heels, a cute little dress, guys, shirt and
Tie.
tie.
One told me, oh, miss, I'm going to wear a suit. I was like, even better.
Yes.
Even better. If food is involved, it makes it even more fun. So this is going to be the little hot chocolate station. So hot chocolates are going to be made over here. And of course, if you want to get a good turnout, you have to involve food. These are the invites for the kids. So they have armbands. This armband allows them to dress up. We're not telling them to dress down because we want them to actually dress up. So they're gonna wear the armband so that it's to kind of let the other teachers know that it's safe for them to be dressed up. The kids were asking me if I was gonna dress up, but then guess what? We have a fire drill during the first period. And I'm like, do I wanna dress up and be in the heat? But we'll see. I'll dress up a little. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if the heels are gonna work if we're gonna have a fire drill during the first period. Shout out to Miss Lay. She did most of the work, guys. She did all the work. Like, she did all the work this year. And so the only thing I have to do now is I had gone to the library to kind of help decorate. There wasn't much to do because she had her TAs and they They already set up the library, and so I passed out my invites, well, my armbands. I passed out the armbands today, and so all I have to do, I'm gonna come early in the morning, earlier, and then I'm going to put their names on these because we can't have certain kids sitting next to certain kids. So the same type of grouping I have in my regular classroom, I'll have that for the book tasting, and then hopefully it runs smoothly. We'll see how it goes. First period is gonna be guinea pig. So I'm gonna sign off, and I'm gonna come back when we have everything set up and the little cookies are out and all that good stuff, because the kids are going to get a treat. But if you are a teacher and you're looking to introduce your kids to new genres of books, a book tasting is an excellent way to do it. And if the kids don't necessarily love books, even a book tasting event, the front loading, it takes a lot of planning, but it will be beneficial in the long run. Hey, good morning, I'm here. So this is what the kids will see as they enter. We had plenty schedule changes, so we had to send the invitations back to Miss Lay so we can get new ones. So I came pretty early the morning of the event, and so I am writing the kids' names on each of these. Of course, I did not give it to them to take home because I know if I did give it to them to take home, some of them would have left it at home, and so then this would distort their table arrangement and the flow of the day. All right, I'm the chocolate tester. Okay. This is not gonna work. This does not look, yeah. You need one more scoop. Well, somebody has to test the hot chocolate. One more. Might as well be me.
In there or make a new one?
No, put it in here so we know. Yep.
2 scoops. All right, I'll tell
So a little less water
and 2 scoops.
2 scoops.
I want you to open it up.
Your name goes on that.
A rotation schedule, so pay attention so you know what to do.
Inside the book.
6, 7.
We're not doing that. Right here.
Please don't start your reflection yet because I have a special guest I want to introduce you to. I have invited an author to come and talk to you about how she got started writing. And I wanted you to hear it because her story is a really good story. So she's going to only talk to you for about 8 minutes or so because I have food that I want to be serving to you and drinks. When the serving team comes to you, select one thing from the tray. One thing, you can either have sugar or no sugar. That's our 2 options. And you may choose hot chocolate or water, not both. Hot chocolate or water. All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your pencil down for a second. Please give a round of applause to Miss Watson.
Sitting alone, go up to them, because I've experienced that, seeing students sitting alone, and then sitting alone myself. If you see someone being bullied, say something. No one ever stood up for me when I was being bullied, and I didn't know how to stand up for myself as well. I let people bully me because I wasn't brave enough. Don't be like me. Don't ignore the bullying. Don't ever let any other person tell you that you can't do something because you look different. Don't let a single person ever make you feel less special and less powerful than you are.
The story. I am raffling these off. Any sixth grader could win one of her books, and she was kind enough to sign it for you. So you get an autographed book by Miss Watson, and it's going to be done at random, but I'm also going to be talking to your teacher.
Special, and every person has a story to tell, even if you don't believe so, I believe you do. So I just inspire you all to just write.
I will be linking her book in the description in case you have little ones. Her book, the one that she wrote, well, she has 2 books and she's in the process of writing another. They are for younger children. So I'll link it in the description box below if you want to support. I've had so much sugar this day. Oh my gosh. Popcorn. All right, so this is what the little serving bar looked like. She had her TAs walk around and she baked these cookies herself. So much was poured into this book tasting. So if you are seeing this, do give this video a hype it so that, you know, others can see it. We do appreciate the love and the support. The reflection is just where the kids get to talk about what they enjoyed. I ended up using the reflection and their little pamphlet in my grade book because if you don't attach a grade to things, your chances are won't get it done. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding this book tasting, ask it in the description box below and I'll be sure to provide a response.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.